This is going to show you how to take your Prezi link and post it to Edmodo. Make sure when you're doing this that you include your shared link to your Prezi. You spell check your work before posting it. Include facts, pictures, details from every single session you learned about in your itc.pisco.com account. And please put your module topic redesign logo that you designed in SketchUp into your Prezi also. All sessions need to be clearly labeled so that we can identify what session it came from. And you're going to reply to this post right here in the comments box. So we're going to go to your Prezi Next account. And there's a couple ways you can do it, but we're going to click the edit button. That's going to take you to your actual Prezi. You're going to click the share button. You're going to click view link. If you already have a link, great. If not, you're going to click create new link. You can type the word STEM or STEM class or whatever else you need to do. Click the create link button. Click copy. Then you're going to go over to your Edmodo account where it says write comment. You're going to click add link. You can then click on the add link box, right click, paste. Give it a couple of minutes or a couple of seconds and it should find your title for you automatically. If it doesn't, you can just type your own in. Click OK when you're done. And you can click comment and it should post it with your name automatically because you're posting it to your through your Edmodo account. That should be pretty much everything for how to take your Prezi link and post it to Edmodo.